Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is going to walk you through how to add custom widgets to your site using the Newscrunch WordPress theme. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your website real personality, boost your visitors' experience, and showcase content just the way you like. Whether you want to feature breaking news, highlight popular posts, or make your footer more engaging, the process of adding custom widgets is surprisingly quick, and I'll be here every step of the way. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress admin area. I know logging in feels like an obvious step, but it's really your gateway to all the power behind your site. Your admin dashboard is where you control everything, so make sure you're using an account with admin rights, or else you might not see the options we'll need today. Once you're inside, look for Appearance in the left-hand menu and then click on Widgets. This is where the magic happens. The widgets screen usually displays two main sections. On one side, you have all your available widgets. This space gathers a mix of standard WordPress widgets like recent posts or categories, and extra important for us, the custom widgets provided by the Newscrunch theme. These custom widgets are what make your site stand out. Think of them like specialized display panels designed to fit the Newscrunch style and purpose. On the other side of the screen, you'll see widget areas. These aren't just random boxes. They map directly to specific places on your website layout, like sidebars, footers, or sometimes even custom zones that your theme might offer. For example, the right sidebar widget area will be the panel on the right side of your pages, while footer bottom column sits at the bottom of every page. Knowing where these areas are on your live site helps you visualize what your visitors will actually see. Now comes the fun part, dragging and dropping. With your mouse, find the custom Newscrunch widget you want in the available widgets list. Click and hold, then drag it straight over to the widget area where you want it to appear. Let's say you want a trending posts widget in your sidebar. Just drop it in the right sidebar area, and you'll see the widget expand with its configuration options. Quick tip, if you ever drop it in the wrong place, don't worry, you can simply drag it back out or move it to another area at any time. After you drop the widget, you'll see that its settings are now open for editing. Here where you personalize things. For example, you could change the title of the widget, adjust how many posts show up, or pick exactly which categories or types of content you want featured. Every custom widget comes with its own set of options, so take a few moments to explore what's available. Don't stress if you're not sure what to pick. You can always come back and tweak these settings later as you learn what works best for your audience. Once you've dialed in the settings to your liking, don't forget to hit save or update within that widget's box. This step makes your changes live on your site so visitors will see your new widget in action. Tip: sometimes it takes a few seconds for WordPress to apply these changes, but you'll see them show up right away if you refresh your website's pages. And that's it, you've successfully added a custom widget using the Newscrunch theme. I always recommend visiting your site as a regular viewer would, just to make sure everything looks and functions the way you intended. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or want to share your own widget ideas, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.